It's time once again for the world's favorite cooking program, Cooking with Stanley. So get your pots and pans ready because the world's favorite chef is really cooking today. Here's Stanley.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another edition of Cooking with Stanley. Today, we're going to prepare my special recipe for vegetable stew. I call it Stanley's Vegetable Stew. It's very delicious, and it's easy and fun to make. First, put a little butter into a saucepan. Here's the butter. Not too much, just a little. Okay, next, chop up a few onions. Not too many onions, just a few. Chop, 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 just like this. There we are. Now I'm going to cut up a few potatoes. Be careful when you cut, don't cut your fingers. And there we have the potatoes. Next, I'm going to pour in a little wine. Don't pour in too much wine. Too much wine is bad for the stew. That's enough, I think. Now, slice a few carrots. Don't these carrots look delicious? They're from my garden. Slice, slice, slice. There we go, into the stew. Next, add a little salt. You know, my doctor says that too much salt is bad for your health. She's right. So don't add too much salt, just a little. Now we chop up a few mushrooms. I love mushrooms, don't you? Chop, chop, chop. There we go, little mushrooms into the stew. Now, I'm going to slice a few tomatoes. Don't use small tomatoes. Try to find big red tomatoes like these. These are also from my garden. And finally, add a little pepper. Don't add too much pepper, just a little. A little pepper gives the stew a wonderful flavor. And now our vegetable stew is ready to cook.